Hey guys, this is your girl Hannah, and today I'm going to be doing another video. So, yeah, I haven't been doing videos a lot, but I'm going to be uploading a lot now. But, yeah. But, I have slime here that my friend gave me to keep, and this is the bag that she gave it to me, and the slime's in there. But, anyways, before we get into the video, subscribe, turn your post notifications on, and like this video. And every time, so put your post notifications on, so every time I upload, then you could, get the video I will post it. So, anyways, yeah. I'm not really active today. I'm so tired. But I'm not really active today, but I'll be more active in more videos. Now, I got a pop socket that I love so much. That's why, because my phone didn't really want to stand. So now we're going to be taking it out. It's on one side of the back. And Saturday, only 3 more days until school left. I'm so happy about. And this one got really sticky. I don't know why. Now it just keeps on getting really sticky, but it's good. And guys, in slime, don't make a big mess because then you make the slime thrown away. But if your parents let you make a big mess, then you could. I'm not saying you can't, but every time I have a Ziploc bag, I always put it inside out and get the slime to get connected about it. But I'm gonna be posting a lot of more stuff now. If I hear background noises, like talking, you can hear it a little bit because I'm just talking. But I try to close the door as hard as I can. But this is the slime. I'm reviewing you my slime. I have another slime that my friend gave me, but that slime is a little bit hard. It's not really like slime. It's just like a rock that's kind of squishy. It's not even squishy. It's a rock that's it can be like a little squishy kind of like slime. It's not. But I think it was so good. She said yesterday, and then she just gave it to me. But if it was so good, then she wouldn't have gave it to me because she keeps all her good slimes. She just gave that to me in the morning, and I thought it was good slime. It was like all pinkish, and now it's like all bluish because I put food coloring. My friend gave me food. What happened? I just got really black. My friend gave me. Sorry if I sound sick. I have a stuffy nose. That's why I'm not active that much. I haven't really. I'm kind of sick, but I'm not sick. And yesterday I went to a party, and I was really bouncing a lot, and I played a lot of games, so I'm pretty much tired. Yeah. But yeah, guys, this is the blue slime. She didn't put food coloring in it. She did. If you want to make white slime, don't use Tide as your activator. If you don't even put food coloring, you just put regular glue and then you start activating your slime. Like you put glue, you mix the glue and then start activating your slime with Tide. It's gonna give it like this bluish kind of color because I know how she activates her slime. She uses it with Tide. My friend that she gave me the slime, she uses it with Tide. So yeah. And this is where I'm pretty much always posting because I like to post it here. It's quiet. I don't want to add no lotion in here. I don't even add lotion to my slimes because every time I do, I don't even do it. But I see my friends do it at my friend. I go to her house and she puts lotion in her slime. But it's her lotion, and the lotion I use is my mom's and dad's lotion, but I don't want to waste their lotion. Lotion's my lotion too, kind of. I don't want to waste their lotion. Our lotion. So, yeah. And my lotion, oh my god, I forgot. Oh my god. Let me do this. I forgot I left my stuff, but this is my lotion. It's a baby lotion. It smells amazing. Anyways, this is really stretchy slime. It's so good. I love it so much. And I have my own slime now because I can't even play with the one my friend gave me. It's like you can't even poke it. You just have to stare at it and it'll stare at you back. It's like you're playing with the wall. It's like that. But she keeps on saying that I don't like it, but you have to be appreciative with your gifts. So I just say I like everything because you have to be appreciative. And I kind of do like everything that people do. They try their best to give presents. I take them. It's not really mean to take presents. But it's also mean to say, oh, I hate your present. Give me a new one. Just take the present you give and you could start liking it. Like, do something with it. Don't just keep it in your closet shoved up in a ball. Like, play with it at least. But if you keep on playing with it and you're tired of it, just give it a few breaks and play with something else for a few days and just go back to the game. Just like slime. You're tired of slime for a few days. Like you're just like, oh my god, I hate the slime. I just wanna put it somewhere. You leave it somewhere and then you play with it for like another week. You're like, oh my god, I'm a slime. Not even a week, just one day. And this is not sticky slime. I can control kind of melted slime. My friend at school, she brought slime and she let me play with it and it was like all melted, but it was good. And I fixed it. She kept on making it melted by with her one hand, but it don't matter. I'm not really stretching it that much, but whatever. One day I'm gonna do a quiet video, just you're gonna hear this. And we're gonna do it right now. So you liked that video? I just did a regular, my twin did it. So my twin was the one that did that video. Guys, I do not have a twin, I did that video. I just did it really quick in a vlog. I'm like, yeah, I just did that. And guys, that is it for today's vlog video. And try to like this video, turn your post notifications on so every time I post a video you get it. You get the inbox. And subscribe, try to get me to 20 subscribers, guys. I know you could do it. So yeah. Bye.